What's up, UpNexa family and beyond? AJ Levitt here. I have a message for everybody on this Thursday morning. Don't let this pandemic get you down. Everybody can play a part. Reps out there, you can help business owners in your own communities get back up on their feet and process transactions in a safe, compliant, and cost-effective way to help rebuild your community. Business owners, you guys are the backbones of all local communities that you guys are in now. You guys are providing great service, great product. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep plugging away. Don't let this pandemic get you down. If we all work together, we can get out of this sooner rather than later. And business owners, stay open. Online ordering, mobile swipers. There's so many things you can do to keep you and your employees safe during these crazy times to help rebuild the community. UpNexa out.